How to share files through Google Drive. Let's not waste any more time and head to the video. Before we head to the video, please hit the subscribe button as it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open Google Drive, and once you open Google Drive, here you'll find an option of plus. Click on that and upload the folder or file that you want to upload of whatever size it is. Once you upload that folder here, it will show up on this screen. Then once it shows up here you'll find three dots below the file. You have to click on that three dots, and here you have to click on share. You can share it through mail addresses. So here if I say I add this, a new mail address will show up on whatever contacts you want to share it, or you can click on the link, copy the link, and you can share it. But this is how you can share and send large files through Google Drive. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.